turning. Okay.
Rachel, I haven't done a front flip in forever. You're gonna have to show me.
How do you make it stop turning? Wait, now it's going that way. No, now it's going that way. Okay, I think I got it pretty good. It's more on this side, you know.
I don't know if I can get up there.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Ow! Oh.
Someone come relax me.
Ow! Sore.
Get your butt up here,
Ow! Oh. Ow! It's hot.
Yes, I know. I'm sorry, but I have such a hot body.
Will you shut up?
I'm so hot. Oh my God! Somebody comes pour something on me to cool me off, and no matter where it comes from. What? Just be sure you use protection.
This isn't much of a video or whatever.
Hey. Yeah, you know you like it. We do front flip.
Here, take my shoe
I
off.
have to pee.
Take my shoe off.
Okay.
Oh, it's hot. Oh.
Ah, pollen! You want to put on bathing suits and get soaking wet like a hose?
I thought we were going to go Shaylee's to do that.
We should, shouldn't we? It's filming!
Oh,
I'm sorry.